Welcome to this video tutorial about EasyAuth, the desktop application that helps you log in to websites that use two-factor authentication. You can download the application at this website. Click on the download link and then choose from the available downloads for the operating system of your computer. When you start the application, the main window initially displays a message telling you that the vault is empty. The vault is where you store secret keys that are provided by the website that you want to authenticate with. To demonstrate, let's walk through establishing two-factor authentication at the Discogs music database website. Log into the site providing a username and password. Then go to the settings page. Most websites will have a section of the settings in which you can enable two-factor authentication. In this case, it's at the bottom of the page. We see that currently two-factor authentication is disabled. Click on the button to change the settings, and then to indicate that we want to configure an authenticator app, we'll click Setup. The website shows us a QR code which has embedded within it the secret key. We're directed to scan this QR code. In EasyAuth, we'll click the Scan QR code button. A confirmation dialog informs us that EasyAuth will scan the screen for the QR code. Click Allow, and it tells us when it finds the QR code and creates a new entry in our vault. The 6-digit code in blue is a temporary passcode generated by EasyAuth. Click on that passcode and it's copied to the clipboard. Next, paste the 6-digit code into the authentication form. Click Verify, and now Discogs is set up to handle two-factor authentication. Let's see what happens the next time you want to log in to Discogs. Enter your username and password as you normally would. This time, Discogs provides a second prompt asking you to verify your identity by entering a one-time code. The one-time passcode is generated by EasyAuth. Again, just click the 6-digit passcode and then paste it into the authentication form. Now you're logged in. It's really quite simple and much faster than using email to receive verification codes or having to fumble around with a phone to receive an SMS message. Another way to store a secret key is to create an entry in the vault manually. From the File menu, choose New Vault Entry, and then Enter Manually. A dialog box appears. For example, say we want to enable two-factor authentication on PayPal. So we copy the secret key provided by PayPal and then paste it into the secret key field in the dialog box. In the provider field, we can enter PayPal and a username or email address that we use on the website. Click Save, and a new entry appears in the vault at the top of the list. If you want to modify a vault entry, simply click on the underlined provider name. And A dialog appears in which we can view the details about that entry. We see the provider, user, and secret key, and then we see the last used date and the number of times we've logged in with this item. We can also display the QR code that contains the secret key. This can be useful if you're trying to migrate this vault entry to a different authenticator. If you want to change any of these fields, click the Edit button. And in this case, let's use discogs instead of this long domain name. Click Save, and the updated vault entry appears in the list. EasyAuth also has export and import functions that can be used to transfer your vault to EasyAuth running on a different computer, or to migrate your vault to a different authenticator app. From the File menu, choose Export Import. Click Choose Export File to open a File Chooser dialog. Enter the name of the file to contain the exported results, and click Save. The vault is then exported to that file, and a success message is displayed. Similarly, if you're migrating from another authenticator app to EasyAuth, you can use the import feature. Choose Export Import, and then choose Import File. And then select the file that has been transferred from a different application. You're given a confirmation message with a preview of the items to be imported. Verify that you've selected the correct file and click Yes. The file that's imported is merged with the current vault, and the results are displayed. EasyAuth makes it easy to organize the entries in your vault according to a number of different parameters. From the Tools menu, choose Sort Entries. Then you can choose how you want the items arranged. You can sort the items alphabetically, by most recently used, or by frequency of use. In addition, you can make a custom ordering by using the Reorder dialog, which lets you drag and drop items into a special order of your preference. The Preferences dialog allows you to configure certain behaviors of EasyAuth. You can display the provider favorite icons. You can choose to hide the secret key when it first appears in the View Vault Entry dialog. You can turn on and off the ability to scan the screen for a QR code. You can hide the window during the QR code scan, which ensures that EasyAuth will be able to find the QR code it's looking for. And you can choose to have the application minimize itself after you've copied a one-time passcode to the clipboard. This gets the window out of the way so that you can resume work. Lastly, there's the theme setting to let you choose whether you would like light or dark theme. The dark theme has a dark background, and the light theme has a light background. The Help menu offers a quick start page which reviews the procedures to get started with saving secret keys in your vault. There's a user manual which has an exhaustive reference to all the capabilities of EasyAuth, and there's an About dialog which shows you which version of EasyAuth you're using and which file contains your vault. In summary, we've seen that EasyAuth provides a fast and convenient way to log in with two-factor authentication. Since it's a desktop application, it doesn't require a smartphone or a cell connection. It doesn't require manually typing verification codes. Best of all, it's free and open source software without advertising or tracking. If you want to learn more, the user manual is a complete reference that's available on the website. Thanks for watching.